Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My brothers and sisters in Islam, inshallah bi qudratullah, today we will continue from the place we stopped last week. Don't forget, in this series we are teaching ourselves on how to speak Arabic fluently, inshallah bi qudratullah. If you have been following me, if you have been following my procedure since that last week, inshallah bi qudratullah, you may be able to speak one or two things or one or two sentences in Arabic. Inshallah bi qudratullah, before I continue, please subscribe to this channel, Al-Ridawi Lectures TV. Al-Ridawi Lectures TV. Alhamdulillah wa kafa. Wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulil Mustafa Sayyidina Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam wa ala alihi wa sahabihi ahlil wafa. We give thanks to Almighty Allah, the entirely merciful, the especially merciful, whom have spared our life till now. We thank Him. All thanks is due to Allah. All thanks are due to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. May the peace and blessing of Allah be upon our noble Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam and his household and his companions. Inshallah bi qudratillah, today I will be teaching us what is al-kalima in Arabiya. Ma hiya al-kalima? What will be our topic today? We pondering on al-kalima. Our topic today will be pondering on al-kalima. Ma hiya al-kalima? What are we calling kalima? What is the meaning of al-kalima? If we say al-kalima in Arabiya, what do we mean by saying al-kalima? Al-kalima hiya al-lafzul mufrad ad-dalu ala ma'nan. The meaning of al-kalima is that hiya al-lafzul mufrad. It is a single word. Al-kalima means a single word ad-dalu ala ma'nan, which is also a single meaning. A single word that has a single meaning. This is the meaning of al-kalima. Al-kalima hiya lafzul mufrad ad-dalu ala ma'nan. Al-kalima means a single word that is giving a single meaning, a one word that is also giving us a one meaning. So what are the categories of al-kalima? ينقسم الكلمة إلى ثلاثة أقسام. They categorize al-kalima. تنقسم الكلمة إلى ثلاثة أقسام. They categorize al-kalima into three categories. The first one is ismun, fi'lun, harfun. The first one is ismun, which means a noun. The second one is fi'lun, which means a verb. And the third one is harfun, which means an alphabet. So al-khulaso, what is the summary of what we want to take from al-kalima is that كل كلمة من الكلمات العربية إما أن تكون على حرف واحد أو حرفين أو أكثر ولا تزيد على 7. All the kalima, all the words in Arabic, إما أن تكون على حرف واحد, it may be on one alphabet, أو حرفين, or two alphabets, أو أكثر, or it should more than that. ولا تزيد على 7, but it will never pass 7 alphabets. It will never reach 8 alphabets, which means that the highest alphabet for all the kalimat in Arabiya is what? Is how many? It's 7. It is 7. So we will not see a kalima that will reach 8. So hope you understand the meaning of al-kalima. The meaning of al-kalima is what? A single word which is also giving us a single meaning. A single word that's also giving us a single meaning. So every single word in Arabiya, every single word in Arabic will not exceed 7 alphabets. We are having al-huruf al-hijaiyya. There are 28. Alif, ba'un, ta'un, sa'un, jimun, ha'un, kha'un, dalun, zalun, ra'un, zayun, sinun, shinun, shadun, dadun, ta'un, za'un, ainun, ghainun, fa'un, qafun, kafun, lamun, mimun, nunun, wawun, ha'un, ya'un. These are all the alphabets that we are having in Arabic. So when we want to take a kalima, a single word from all these 28 alphabets, we may pick only one, and that only one will also be given us, we will also call it a kalima, a single word. And also, we may pick 2 alphabets from this alphabet in Arabic. We may pick two alphabets and join them together, and it will give us one kalima, which is one word. And also, we may pick 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, but it will never reach 8. It will never reach 8. May Almighty Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala increase our knowledge. So, al-kalima, we are having 3 types of kalima. The first one is ismun, a noun, fi'lun, a verb, and also harfun, an alphabet. So today, inshallah, bi qudratullah, I will also mention ismun. An example for ismun is like someone to say Ahmad is a name of person. Zainab, Ruqayya, and so on. So they are name of person. And also ismun, under ismun we are having some names. We are having ismul insan, name of person, ismul hayawan, name of ismul hayawan, name of animals, and also ismul jamad, name of something that doesn't talk. So inshallah bi qudratillah, well, what I will also want us to gain again is that pronoun. I just want to make mention of some pronouns in Arabic. Inshallah bi qudratullah, we will still teach us what is pronoun itself, but I just want to make mention of it. So if you want to say me in Arabic, how are you going to say it? You are going to say ana. Me in Arabic is what? Ana. I. Ana. I. You in Arabic is what? Anta. So we are having 2 of it. In English, we are using you for a male, and also we are using you for a female. But in Arabic, it's not like that. We are using anta for a male and anti for a female. Huwa, he for a male, and also here, she. I think that is how it be in English also. They are having he and she. So in Arabic also we are having huwa for a male and also here for a female, which is huwa, he, here, she. Nahnu, we. Nahnu, we. If you want to say we in Arabic, you say we. So just let me make mention of al-jumlatul mufida, some sentences that also you may be able to speak Arabic with it. I think you've achieved the meaning of al-kalima, and also how many categories for al-kalima, how many types for kalima, and also ismun also. I hope you've gained 1 or 2 things from it. So when you want to make mention of, when you want to make sentences for this affirmation pronoun that I've mentioned, ana, me, anta, you, huwa, and nahnu, we. You may say, ana akulu ta'ama, I'm eating food. Ana akulu ta'ama, I'm eating food. Huwa ya'kulu ta'ama, he is eating food. Anta ta'kulu ta'ama, you are eating food. Nahnu, Na'kulu ta'ama. We are eating food. Like what I'm doing now. Ana ajlisu ala al-kursiyyi. I'm sitting on a chair. Ana ajlisu ala al-kursiyyi. I'm sitting on a chair. Anta tajlisu ala al-kursiyyi. You are sitting on a chair. Huwa yajlisu ala al-kursiyyi. He is sitting down on a chair. Nahnu najlisu ala al-karasi. We are sitting down on chairs. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala increase our knowledge. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala accept this as an act of ibadah. Please subscribe to this channel. This is our second class on how to learn and speak and how to speak Arabic fluently. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala increase our knowledge. In case you want to ask any question, please use the comment below. Make a good comment below and like this video, and also subscribe to the channel Al-Ridawi Lectures TV. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Subhanakallahumma bihamdika ashhadu an la ilaha illa anta astaghfiruka wa atubu ilayk. Subhana rabbika rabbil izzati amma yasifun. Wassalamun ala al-mursalin walhamdulillahi rabbil alamin.